The next knot we're going to tie is the surgeon's shoelace knot. Yes, I know, we all know how to tie our shoes, and we all have our method of doing it. But, say you're hiking, and you get really tired of retying your shoes, or the double knot just isn't working. This is a variation on the shoe tying knot that we can do, just in case. Anyway, start with the overhand knot, just like tying a shoe, because you are tying your shoe. And you create a loop, also just like tying a shoe. And then the difference here is, when you create this loop, you run it through 2 times. And you see how it creates just a little bit more tension up there. And as you're walking and stuff, it's a little harder for it just to untie from motion or from things that your shoes go through just from hiking around or walking or whatever you might be doing.